Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start our part 4 video clip. In this part 4 video, we are going to learn about double displacement reaction. Once we recap our previous parts, in the previous part first, we seen about combination reaction. In the combination reaction, two or more reactants comes together and give a product, that is single product, known as two or more reactants react to each others and form a single product is known as combination reaction. We seen the example also. In part second, we seen decomposition reaction. In decomposition reaction, single reactants breaks into simpler products known as decomposition reaction. We seen example of H2O electrolysis example. We seen of H2O. H2 we get from H2O H2 and O2. In the part 3, we seen displacement reaction. Before that, we seen about reactivity series. The metals are arranged in the by their reactivity, decreasing order vertically. Okay. After that, we seen in part 3 displacement reaction. What happens in displacement reaction? In the displacement reaction, higher reactive element displaces to the less reactive element from its salt solution. We see in the all reactions. Okay, from copper sulfate is reacting with Fe iron, and this iron is going to be displaces the Cu. It forms ferrous sulfate and copper. Until now, okay, my dear students. Now we are going to start about double displacement reaction. What is double displacement reaction? Before that, the double displacement reaction, also known as double replacement reaction also, or metathesis reaction. Double displacement reaction also known as double replacement reaction or metathesis reaction. What happens in the double displacement reaction? In the double displacement reaction, it is a type of chemical reaction where two compounds react, where two compounds react and the positive part of the first reactant, okay, ions, we call that cation, and the negative ions, we call it anion, of the two reactants switch places, forming two new compounds or products. I know that you are not understanding, but once again I am repeating this. Listen carefully, my dear students. It is a type of chemical reaction where two compounds react. It is a type of chemical reaction where two compounds are reacting with each others, and the positive ions, that is cation, and the negative ions anions of the two reactants switch places, forming two new substance or compounds or products. That reaction is known as double displacement reaction. Again I am saying another definition of the displacement reaction. please pay your attention. Those reactions in which two compounds react by an exchange of ions to form two new compounds are called double displacement reaction. Now we will try to understand with the help of example. The second definition, both definitions are same, but I not give the both definitions to you due to you maybe get confused about double displacement reaction. So keep in your mind only any one definition, either first one, either second one. So we will take example. Here sodium sulfate in aqueous medium reacting with barium chloride aqueous medium, it giving barium sulfate in the solid. It means PPT we are getting here, white PPT we are getting, plus NaCl. What happens? See my dear students, this Na and Ba both are positive in this two reactants. SO4 and Cl are negative. This positive known as cation, this negative portion known as anion. These cations and anions switching their places. This sodium is going to react with this chloride, and this barium is going to react with sulfate, and finally they are giving barium sulfate. So first we will see sodium is reacting with chlorine due to this formation of sodium chloride. We have to write here 2. Why? Because this is not balanced. After writing 2, it will get balance. Okay. Now this barium is reacting with the sulfate and forming barium sulfate. Just ions of the compounds are exchanging their compounds. This positive ion is switching or exchanging the ions with the chlorine and forming what? Sodium chloride. This barium is reacting with sulfate, anion molecule, and forming a barium sulfate. I hope that you understood with this example. Now we will see another example. Silver nitrate reacting with sodium chloride, and here you can see this sodium gives sodium nitrate and this silver gives silver chloride. In this way they exchange their ions. I hope that you are understanding this reaction. It is a very simple reaction, that is double displacement reaction. Also it is known as double replacement reaction or metathesis reaction. In this reaction what happens? Only the ions are exchanging with each others. Now third example is barium chloride is reacting with the copper sulfate. It is forming barium sulfate and copper chloride. Okay. Now in this reaction, these reactions are happening or goes into the liquid state only. It means in the aqueous phase. A double displacement reaction usually occurs in solutions. Keep in your mind, these double displacement reactions usually occurs in solutions, and one of the product, keep in your mind, and these reactions happens in the solution, or and one of the product being insoluble, it gets in the form of precipitation. It means PPT we are getting, when we are getting PPT, it means solid. I explained here already states of each one. Here sodium sulfate in aqueous phase, barium chloride, it is also in aqueous phase, and these two are in the solution form. Due to this reason only this reaction takes place. After the reaction taking place, we are getting barium sulfate, that is in the form of PBD, precipitate. You can see it, white precipitate we are getting, and another one is in the aqueous form, that is sodium chloride, in each reaction. So keep in your mind, my dear students, once again I am repeating this. Double displacement reaction is the reaction in which what happens, in which two compounds react by an exchange of ions, reacts by an exchange of ions to form two new compounds. We are getting two new products. Two new compounds are called double displacement reaction or double replacement reaction or metathesis reaction. Keep in your mind, these reactions usually occur in solution and one of the product in the form of precipitation. Okay, students, stay home, stay safe, happy learning. Wish you all the best. Thank you. I hope that you understood.